What are we doing?
Putting the trampoline in the ground.
Why?
Because it's hard to get to our bins around the edge because my trampoline's always there. Sometimes we put it on the grass and it always goes dead. So it's just a good idea to put it in the ground, and they also look really cool. Like you could be on the grass 1 minute and be in the trampoline. And so we're just doing a line right now to go round the trampoline to start digging, but we're going to go through from the middle to the outside.
Okay, great. My goodness, I've been digging since about 12 o'clock today, and look at Bella. We've been digging down and we think we've found an old World War II bunker. There's been loads of this rebar down here. That's all really old rebar, metal, and you can see Bella, just show the camera with your spade. Show the square which we've unearthed. Just do that with the spade. Go like that. Go along there. Go like that. That's it. And then go that way. We just don't know quite how far it goes or where it goes to. So I'm really keen to explore and dig down even further just to find out, because I'm never going to get this chance again. Timmy, stop it! I'm on camera. So there you go.